Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to PC restore keyboard. To start, enter language in the search box. Open Edit Language in Keyboard Options. There, click on Add a Language. You must search and select the new language. Click Next and you can configure some aspects of this new language. Click on Install, and now you just have to wait a moment for this new language to be installed on the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once it has been installed, click on the three dots and choose the Move Up option. This should be in first place. Now a system restart is enough to apply these changes. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.